Guys, so today we are going to talk about the 10 most common problems that you may have faced or you will face if you are one of the PC users. Because these are the problems that the PC users have admitted they generally have. So today we will talk about them and see their probable solutions if they ever happen to you or to your friends and families. So let's get into it. So the first one is the blue screen of death. Imagine you are working on a important project, and suddenly your screen is filled with white text against a blue background. There's nothing you can do about it, but reboot your PC and hope for the best that everything will be saved to your hard disk. Microsoft called this stop errors, but everyone else prefer a more descriptive label as blue screen of death. They are not as common as they used to be, but it still happens. If you get one, curse, reboot, and hope for the best. But if you are getting frequently, you have got a problem that needs fixing. Uh, so, the trick is to find the information about your particular blue screen of death. Then, since that information usually comes in an obtuse form, search the internet for more particular advice. What you should look for is this part right here. For when you find blue screen of death, you will find useful data just below the first paragraph. And under the technical information label near the bottom, just see the error number and write it down. And then let it Google about it. And when you restart the computer, if Windows tell you about check for the solution or anything like that, a diagonal box, you are lucky. And if not, you can check for your health of the RAM with it was software name MAM test 86 plus or something like that. You can Google about it, or you can update your drivers, or you can diagnose your hard disk with HDTune or any software you like. So this was the probable solution. Our second problem is recover deleted files. Like guys, seriously tell me that it has never happened to you, that you just deleted a file by mistake, or a friend just did it as prank or something else. But a loss is a loss. That file can be an important document. It can be a presentation that you are working since last few days. Can be a data of saved game. But anyways, whatever the data may be, that file is important, and that's the bottom line. And when that happens, we usually have a mini heart attack, right, guys? So today, let us just see how to gain those deleted files back and have our life back. So first of all, the first solution that you can do is check your recycle bin. Right here you will find this icon on the desktop. Just open it, and if you have recently deleted those files and didn't clear the recycle bin, you are good to go. Just check it and you will find all those files that you have deleted in last few days here. Just simply right click and click on restore, and those files will be restored to its original location. The second thing that you can do is use your backup. If you have backup your hard disk or at least your libraries on regular basis, your files are probably saved there. I don't know which backup software you are using, so I can't exactly tell you how to do it. And in case if you don't have any program that backups your data, I can recommend you this one. And I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I'm just showing you as it is free and can be used for basic home computer. So you can download this from here and you're good to go. Back up your file as soon as possible, and if possible set the backup as daily, and good luck. Our third solution is to try the recovering software. Even a file that is deleted and it's clear from recycle bin as well. Windows doesn't actually overwrite the zeros and ones until another file needs the space. So first of all, you need to have more space on your PC as much as possible. So clear those files that you don't need. Secondly, you will need a good program that recovers. I recommend Recover right here. So it's a portable program that you can use, and it will not need any space on your computer as it is portable. You can just download it, copy the files on the flash drive, and use it from there. So it is very easy to recover all your files with this software. So so that's one of the solution. Our fourth and last solution is hire a professional. If all of the above fails and you have only one option, that is to go with the professional help. They will, you will have to go to them with your hard disk, and if you haven't damaged your hard disk, you will find someone for the cheap to do this work. Okay, so this was the last tip I can do for you. And if you don't have backup, maybe it's time to get into habit. It might be helpful in the next time. So let's see our next problem. Our third problem is backup. And I'm not going to say more about this and bore you guys because I have already said about how important this is and why you should do this and all that crap. So please do this if you love your data. Our fourth problem is to protect your privacy online. What once sounded like a paranoia is now common sense. Steve asked for safe and secure ways to access the internet without being tracked or by the crooks, corporation, and the government. While there's no such thing as complete or perfect privacy or security, you can still have a plenty of tricks to provide a reasonable degree of anonymity. You can use your browser's incognito mode, then supplement the mode with the right add-ons. You can replace the browser with one designed to keep your secrets real safe. Like here I'm using UC browser and you can see here we have incognito mode windows right here. You can go here and select this incognito mode and it will say it will not record your browsing history, search history, cookies, files that are downloaded, or bookmarks that are added. Once our PC gets older, it usually gets slower, which was once a fast computer has slowed to a crawl. You can't really blame the hardware for this. Sure, you can speed up things by adding up few RAMs or replacing a new hard disk with SSD, but all this will cost you money. So in our fifth problem, we'll see speeding up a slow PC without buying a new software. So here, what we'll have to do is download a software. I personally will recommend you this one. It's TuneUp Utilities from AVG. So this software is amazing actually guys. I have personally used it and to be frank, it pretty much gets all your stuff done. From speeding up your device to cleaning up the old files, all of that. So give it a try. Our sixth problem, antivirus. Now, we have all at one point or another thought about that what if I install two antivirus at the same time? Guys, let me explain you. Think about one antivirus as the wine. You love it, it's delicious and all that. And second is as morning breakfast with cereals. You have to have both of them. But think what will you have done if you have both of them at the same time? It might have unpleasant side effects, right? So it's better to have one at a time, and it's recommended to have antivirus. So I would recommend you a few like Norton or Kaspersky or anything. Our seventh problem is how to wipe your sensitive files or your entire hard disk. So imagine this scenario: if you are giving away your old PC and you have deleted all the files. But guys, as I said, the Windows do not write the zeros and ones until it's actually needed the space. It doesn't overwrite on them. And one can easily recover your old files with some recurring software or hiring a professional. So it's better to have securely wipe them. So there are many software with whom you can do that. You can search them on Google, or you can have your PC entirely formatted. So these are the two common things you can do about it. Our eighth problem is lower internet speed even when you are paying for a fast internet. Guys, has it ever happened to you that you are paying for a fast internet but not getting enough speed or as shown in the advertisement? That probably be true because internet service providers doesn't provide that much speed as, but what if you are getting much lower than that? So let's see how you can check for this bottleneck. First of all, check for your internet speed. You can do this by visiting the site www.speedtest.net and check for the internet speed, download speed, upload speed, everything, and write it down. Then try another PC. If the speed is higher on that one, you cannot blame your internet service provider for your poor hardware. Next is to connect your router. If I mean to connect if your PC is in Wi-Fi mode, connect it to the router directly. Or if it is an already in router, change or try a different port. If that fails, try to upgrading the firmware of your router. If that too doesn't work, try to connect your PC directly to the modem. And if all of this fail, your internet service provider is at fault and try to switch the service. Our ninth problem is how you can archive your files so that they will stay for years. I know nothing lasts forever, but you want at least some of your files to last a very long time. So it was no surprise to make your family photo available for your future generations or to show them to your great children who will enjoy them. So let's see how we can do this. People worry a lot about archiving their digital files for a longer period of time. The concern is legit. I wouldn't go as far as the people who insist that burn CDs and DVDs. In the last 20 years, the internet has changed drastically. Now, if you want to archive your files, you can basically store them into a cloud. So, a cloud is like a hardware that is somewhere else on that may be on a server of Google or Microsoft or anyone else that is providing these services. So what you can do is you can have your account by paying a nominal fees monthly or yearly or whatever the plan is. They will provide you some free space for free like 5 GBs or Dropbox provide more like 50 GBs or etc. So you can see your options and choose between them. All you have to do is just upload all of your important data to there and it will be stored and archived forever. Not forever, but it will last longer than you want. The last one, how you can share your passwords. And should you do that? Well, actually we have a lot of password and as it is recommended, you should use a longer password with numbers, characters, capital letters, uppercase, lowercase and all that crap. So it's very hard to remember all that. So what can we do? We can basically have a software which is called 1Password. You can have this software and you just have to remember one password of this account, and you can enter all of your password of your Gmail, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, anything, Facebook, Twitter, etc. etc. You can have all your passwords stored here, and all you have to do is remember this one password, open your account, and check for all of your passwords. As simple as that. So, these were the 10 problems that you may face in your daily life. So, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.